the puppies. They're getting bigger, fatter. They sleep a lot. They're so cute. And their eyes are open now. I don't think they can see though. I think they're still kind of blind. And there's Mommy Chanel. She needs a grooming desperately. Right, Chanel? I can't even see your eyes, Shay. Oh, it's so sweet. And here's a little roly-poly. This one just eats all the time. I don't even want to wake him up. Her. If you wake her up, she goes right for the boob, and she is so big already. Oh, did you hear me say that? And you're only 2 weeks old. Yeah, you're only 2 weeks old. She'll be 3 on Friday, actually. Yeah, you little butterball. Hi. They don't have names yet because we are going to give them away, so sadly so. It's hard. They're so cute and sweet. Right? Right, little Blackie? Right, Shay? Say hi, Shay. There's the mama. She's a really good mama. She's always cleaning them. We didn't need to get that in the video. I should move her out of that corner. Can you? I don't even think she can breathe. Yes, Shay? Get your baby. Aww. Aww, so sweet. Your little tail. Your little tail. Alright, little puppies. Alright, Chanel. We're gonna go. Say bye. Bye. Aloha.